What is up, YouTube? It is your boy DJ Classic Omar. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys what I got in the mail today. I recently purchased a pair of QSC 12.2, and one of them came a little damaged here. As you can see, it has this dip right here. So I was a little bummed down because the other one looks perfect and this one has damage. But I immediately looked online, and the people that came to save me was IDJ Now. They sell replacements. They just sell the black piece, pretty much the cover for it. I want to show you guys. I already opened majority of it, but I just want to show you guys how it looks. Looks exactly the same, just in better condition. As you can see, that one has a dip. This one does not have any damage. About to put it on for you guys so you can check it out. There we go. Let's get it on. Like how the song says. By the way, I recently upgraded my speakers. I used to have the ZLX 15P, and I hated that those things always showed the clip. They always show it was showing limit clip, and I don't know. I wasn't feeling comfortable. I hate DJing and having to think to like, hey, turn it down. Of course, I'm not trying to blow up my speakers, but I wasn't even DJing. I wasn't even being comfortable DJing because I always had that clip. I always had to worry about turning it down. QSC has not let me down. I've been seeing plenty of videos of people saying that they turn off automatically on them, but I was just hoping that it didn't happen to me the first time that I use them, and I didn't have any issues at all. I really hope that these just continue working good for me, and I'm really gonna look out to try to get another pair of these as well. Just thought I'd mention that. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. The EV, the 15, they sound pretty good. The clarity is very clear, very nice. But it's just you can't turn those things up, like not like the ETX. If Of course, if you have the ETX, you can always turn it up without any issues. But I don't know. I had the option, but I just went with QSC. It's kind of difficult to take this thing off, but just gotta be patient. Take it off slowly. There we are. Got the damaged one here. Yeah, going back. I'm actually gonna put the link in the description so you guys can order just in case if you need a replacement. Um, you can just hit the link, and yeah, here we go, guys. Let me just see how this one is. All right, so this one just has it wrapped up like that. I'm gonna do the same to this. The sides came apart a little bit. I think that's just from shipping. That's not an issue. My main concern is as long as it ain't dent like this other one. So here we are. Just gotta push it in, line it up. Yeah, it's a little difficult, but I'm gonna get it done for sure. Make sure to just do the bottom first. All right, there we are. it's better to just start from the bottom and then start pushing it up on the top. I'm super excited, guys. Pretty much I got a brand new speaker again. All right. Look at that baby right there. Looks brand new, guys. Definitely check that description out. And give me a like on the video, guys, if y'all like the video, if this kind of helped you guys. If y'all are going through the same issue that some of yours are damaged, definitely hit up the description. And shout out to iDJ Now, guys. Hope you liked the video. Give me a like. It's your boy DJ Classic Omar. I'm definitely going to be posting another gig log this weekend. I have an event. But I hope all the DJs are doing good. And you have a blessed one, guys.